If you're wondering why there's a big box over there, you'll find out. So in today's video...
Bro, seriously, he cannot think of anything. You know, I should have been more prepared. Come on, Roman, think of something. Just think of something right now.
No! So I'm pretty sure you've seen in my videos that I have a wooden desk. Here it is. That was my desk. And in this video, I will be showing you... So in today's video, I'm going to be building my new desk, assembling it, and all that. Alright, cool. Let's just get right into it. So we ordered this desk about, I don't know, I think about over a week ago. And today it finally came. I just finished assembling it. I'm not going to show you, just so, you know, you guys can, you know, this is cringy. Why do I still own this YouTube channel? You know what? I just remembered something, and trust me, you know how in this year, 2020, there's always so many bad things going on, and it makes me think, I mean, 2020 can't get worse.
Are you sure about that?
Alexa, turn the lights on. There you go, perfect. Let's start clearing up all this space. So, let's do it. I'm done. I'm done. Yay, finally, after all this time, I'm finally done with my new desk. Here's how it looks. Do you know how it takes for me to make these videos? Well, actually assembling the desk, that wasn't so bad. But editing, you know, if I just threw in all the clips, if I didn't trim them up, you know, that's, if all the clips in this video. If I put them in and if I didn't trim it up, the video would probably be at least 28 minutes. And I just turned a potential 28-minute video into a shortened up 2 minutes. Like the montage of when, you know, I was putting the desk together. One of my clips, you know, when I was standing up right here, that was actually raw footage. Actually, it was recording straight on for 14 minutes, and I just made it 20 seconds. You know, this, if I just put all the clips in, if I didn't trim them up, if I didn't do any of that, this video would have been like, I don't know, 28 minutes. And I just shortened it up. I turned it into a 5-minute video. I think it was 5 minutes. So yeah, please leave a like, you know, because, you know, I put a lot of effort into these videos, so please leave a like and press that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Yeah. Shut up. Okay, here's how the desk looks. You know, I got the keyboard, got my mouse, I got the cute cat, I got my phone cable, got the lights. I have these things here just to keep this protected. I highly doubt anything will happen if I just leave it on like this, but just in case. And obviously I got my computer, I have my light. Oh, you know, that's actually a pretty good spot for it. And I have my microphone. Obviously, I got my chair. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please press that like button and press that subscribe button, please. I would really appreciate that. And anyway, guys, I'll see you all in my next video. This is Osborne Strike. Over and out. What could be better?